हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, याच्यापूर्वीच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण बेसिक कन्सेप्ट इन जॉमेट्रीमध्ये डिस्टन्स बिटवीन टू पॉईंट्स, कोऑर्डिनेट हे कन्सेप्ट आपण समजावून घेतलेली होती. ते लेक्चर परत एकदा पहा. मी शिवरकर एम फ्रॉम बेकराई माता माध्यमिक विद्यालय तुमच्यासाठी पुन्हा दुसरं एक लेक्चर घेऊन येत आहे. आजची कॉन्सेप्ट आहे बिटवीननेस. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, लेक्चरला सुरुवात करण्यापूर्वी मी तुम्हाला एक विनंती करेल की संपूर्ण लेक्चर शेवटपर्यंत पहा, समजावून घ्या. जोपर्यंत समजत नाही तोपर्यंत पुन्हा पहा. लाईक करा, काही न समजल्यास कमेंट करा आणि काही समजल्यास सुद्धा कमेंट करा. त्याचबरोबर जर अद्याप तुम्ही हे माझं चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केलेलं नसेल तर चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका, ही माझी नम्र विनंती. चला तर जाऊया आज न्यू कन्सेप्टकडे, ज्या कन्सेप्टचं नाव आहे बिटवीननेस, दॅट इज इन बिटवीन. सपोज देर आर 3 points A, B and C. When we consider 3 points, that time, first case, suppose point B lies in between A and C. In the first case, point B lies in between A and C. So figure is like this. This is the point A, this is the point C, and the point B lies in between A and C, and which is represented as A dash, B dash, C. In case of second case, point C lies in between A and B. Then figure is like this. This is point A, this is point B, and this is the point C, which is lies in between A and B. And third case, again point A lies in between B and C. Then the figure is like this. This is B, this is C, and the point A is in between B and C. आता विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्या समोर 3 प्रकारचे फिगर्स आल्यात की ज्याच्यामध्ये पॉइंट्स A, पॉइंट्स B and point C are collinear points. In first case, B lies in between A and C. In second case, C lies in between A and B, and in third case, A lies in between B and C. In case of betweenness, listen, if distance between AC is equal to distance between AB plus distance between BC, if distance between AC is equal to distance between AB plus distance between BC, then point B lies in between A and C, which is represented as A dash, B dash, C. If distance between A and C is equal to distance between A comma B plus distance between B comma C, then point B lies in between A and C, which is represented as A dash, B dash, C. And points A comma B comma C are collinear. What about this figure? In this figure, distance between AB is equal to distance between AC plus distance between CB. Then point C lies in between A and B. represented as A dash C dash B. A dash C dash B. And point A, C, B are collinear. In case of this figure, distance between BC is equal to distance between BA plus distance between AC. Then point A lies in between B and C. That means point B, point A and point C are collinear points. These all 3 points are collinear. Betweenness is correlated to collinear points. What is the definition of collinear points? You know, you learnt in previous standard. When 3 or more than 3 points lies on the same line, then these 3 points are called collinear points. Then I take one example. Example from practice set. Example from practice set. Example from practice set 1.1, question number 3. Practice set 1.1, question number 3. I read the question from your textbook. You know, you open your textbook and there is one question, question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. I read the question again. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. I give first example from that. From exercise, from practice set 1.1, question number 3. First example. There is one example. Here, distance between PR is equal to 7. Distance between PQ is equal to 10. And distance between QR is equal to 3. And this is the example from your practice set 1.1, question number 3. So, see and observe carefully. काळजीपूर्वक पहा, नीट समजावून घ्या. अगदी साधा सोपा क्वेश्चन आहे. So, listen. Which is the greater distance? PQ is the greater distance. So, distance between PQ is equal to 10. Call it as number 1. Which distances are remain? This and this. So take sum of these two distances. Distance between PR plus distance between QR is equal to 7 plus 3. That equal to 10. Call it as number 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, distance PQ is equal to 10 and distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 10. So from 1 and 2, distance of PQ is equal to distance in between PR plus distance in between QR. Therefore, according to definition of betweenness, by definition of betweenness, by definition of betweenness, I write here, by definition of betweenness, point R lies in between P and Q, and which is represented as P dash R dash Q, diagrammatically shown as P, here R and here Q, and therefore points P, Q, R are collinear. So Listen again. Distance between PQ is equal to 10. This is the greatest distance. Distance between PR and distance between QR are the smaller distances. So first take greatest distance, call it as number 1. Then take sum of the remaining two distances. Distance between PR plus distance between QR is equal to 7 plus 3, that equal to 10. Call it as number 2. From this 1 and from 2, from 1 and from 2, here 10, here also 10. So from 1 and 2, distance between PQ is equal to distance between PR plus distance between QR. Therefore, by definition of betweenness, point R lies in between P and Q, and which is represented as P dash R dash Q. Diagrammatically represented as like this, P R Q. Therefore, points P Q R are collinear points. Take the screenshot. Then I take another example. हे एक्झाम्पल समजून घेतल्यानंतर आपण दुसऱ्या एक्झाम्पलकडे जाणार आहोत. अगदी सोपं एक्झाम्पल आहे, अगदी त्याच पद्धतीचं आहे. डिस्टन्स आर यस, डिस्टन्स आर यस, डिस्टन्स आर यस, डिस्टन्स आर यस is equal to 8. Distance between S and T is equal to 6, and distance between RT is equal to 4. Same procedure, same method is there. Which is the greatest distance? 8. Therefore, distance of R comma S is equal to 8. Call it as number 1. Then take sum of the remaining two distances. Distance between ST plus distance between RT is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Call it as number 2. Observe carefully. From 1 there is 8 and from 2 there is 10. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, distance between RS is not equal to distance between ST plus distance between RT. Therefore, by definition of betweenness, therefore by definition of betweenness, therefore by definition of betweenness, point T does not lie in between R and S, does not lie in between R and S. Therefore, points P R S, therefore point not P, therefore point R S and T, R S and T are not collinear, very simple. Again listen. Distance between RS is equal to 8, distance between ST is equal to 6, distance between RT is equal to 4, distance between RS is equal to 8, that is number 1. Distance between ST plus distance between RT is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Call number 2. From 1 and 2, distance between RS is not equal to distance between ST plus distance between RT. Therefore, by definition of betweenness, point T does not lie in between R and S, and that's why point R, S, T are not collinear. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण ही बिटवीननेस नावाची कॉन्सेप्ट बघितलेली आहे. ती आवर्जून परत एकदा पुन्हा पहा. हे छोटंसं लेक्चर तुमच्यासमोर मांडलेलं आहे. याच्या पुढचा भाग आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये अभ्यासणार आहोत, पाहणार आहोत. बिटवीननेस नावाची कन्सेप्ट पुन्हा समजून घ्या. पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण त्यावर आधारित जास्तीत जास्त प्रॉब्लेम सोडवणार आहोत. मी पुन्हा एकदा आपणास नम्र विनंती करेल की महादेव शिवरकर लेक्चर्स ऑन मॅथ्स हे चॅनल्स आपण सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका, शेअर करायला विसरू नका, लाईक करायला विसरू नका. त्यामुळे मला मिळेल मोटिवेशन आणि तुम्हाला मिळतील लेक्चर्स ऑन मॅथ्स. धन्यवाद.